Any last words?
Man, tell me who the fuck next? Kill take, what's that? Hit this bitch and spit his head, bust that. Play with me, bitch, and I get you busted. Shut